There are four categories of people you must pay attention to in your life: the gifts, the lifts, the shifts, and the rifts. 1. The gifts. These are the precious people in your life. They are given to you to be a blessing and bring positivity. These individuals encourage, support, help, motivate, and inspire you. They are always there for you, not because of what they can gain, but simply because of who you are. They love and accept you just as you are. These people are your sincere allies, your loyalists. They never betray or disappoint you. Even if they don't have much or cannot do everything for you, they will go out of their way to offer the support and assistance you need. They would never sabotage or jeopardize your efforts. In short, they are genuine and authentic influences in your life. The gifts could come in the form of a spouse, parent, child, sibling, friend, relative, colleague, or anyone else. When you meet them, you'll recognize them. Appreciate these people. Let them know you value their contributions and show them love in return. 2. The lifts. The lifts are people who come into your life to help you progress or move to a higher level. They assist you during a crucial stage or in achieving a significant milestone. However, their role is often temporary. While they might stay in touch, their primary assignment in your life is not permanent. They are not your loyalists, but their purpose is clear. They come to help you succeed, connect you with opportunities, or provide the support needed to make your visions or projects a reality. These individuals are purpose-driven and not meant to stay for the long haul. Appreciate their role and the value they bring, even if their time in your life is brief. 3. The shifts. The shifts are the people who disrupt your life temporarily. They come to alter certain aspects of your journey. While their impact might seem challenging at first, their presence can ultimately lead to growth and new perspectives. To benefit from the shifts, you need a good attitude. Instead of reacting negatively to their behavior or actions, focus on where you are headed. Their actions might cause temporary delays or force you to get better on your beliefs, perspectives, or ideologies. They might teach you lessons about patience, love, endurance, resilience, and perseverance. The shifts are blessings in disguise. You may not appreciate their role while they are with you, but after they leave, you'll realize the value of their impact. They are a necessary part of life's puzzle, teaching you valuable lessons along the way. 4. The rifts. The rifts are your adversaries, those who wish you harm or failure. They have no positive role in your life. They are the ones who bring disagreement, disappointment, resentment, bad luck, or negativity. Their aim is to see you fall or fail. When you identify such people, it is best to avoid them. Do not let them remain in your life. Build a shield around yourself to protect against their attacks. The rifts are individuals to keep at a distance, as they only bring harm or misfortune. In conclusion, these are the four categories of people you'll encounter in life. It's important to note that these roles are not rigid. Some individuals may shift between categories depending on the stage of life you or they are in. Everyone's journey is unique, and relationships vary across different circumstances. The key is to understand people and life, keep relevant and positive ideas in mind, and surround yourself with those who add value to your journey. Feel free to share your thoughts and ideas. Thanks for reading, and bye for now, kindly. Share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas, and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sapiensofgod@gmail.com, and we'll arrange a call. Read. Next, how to discover your purpose. No BS approach. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.get books on Amazon. Amazon Books. You want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony. I Say Music got you. Contact sapiensofgodmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Making 2025 your best year yet. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. Surprising ways to lose weight. What to do when you are confused. Why most Black people are porkingly. Drop your comments here. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.